I'm gonna talk about oxidative phosphorylation process. This process occurs in inner membrane of mitochondria. There are two processes of oxidative phosphorylation. There are electron transport chain, or ETC for short, that occur in this part, and Chemiosmosis that occur in this part. First of all, I'm gonna talk about ETC. This process is to synthesize ATP through oxidative phosphorylation. There are 6 components of ETC, which are NADH dehydrogenase, succinate dehydrogenase, ubiquinone, cytochrome C reductase, cytochrome C oxidase. Electrons are transported from one component to another. During the electron transport along the ETC, electron carriers alternate between reduced and oxidized as they accept and donate electron. NADH transfers its electron to NADH dehydrogenase. NADH is oxidized while NADH dehydrogenase is reduced. But NADH dehydrogenase returns to its oxidized form as it passes its electron to ubiquinone. Ubiquinone then passes its electron to cytochrome C reductase. Cytochrome C reductase returns to its oxidized form as it passes its electron to cytochrome C. Cytochrome C then passes electron to cytochrome C oxidase. The last cytochrome of the chain passes its electron to oxygen. So, oxygen acts as a final electron acceptor in ETC. Each oxygen atom also picks up a pair of hydrogen ions from the aqueous solution, forming water. Next is FADH2. FADH2 transfers its electron as succinate dehydrogenase at the lower energy level that NADH does. From succinate dehydrogenase, electrons move to the same pathway as the electron from NADH, which pass the electron to ubiquinone. Then ubiquinone pass electron to the complex 3, then pass the electron to cytochrome C, and cytochrome C pass the electron to the cytochrome C oxidase. Lastly, the electron pass to the oxygen. So, as the protein complex accept two donate electron, they pump proton from mitochondria matrix into the intermembrane space by using the energy from electron flow. Now, there is a greater concentration of proton H+ in the intermembrane space. The H+ gradient that result is transferred to as a proton motive force. The force drives hydrogen plus flow back across the membrane through the ATP synthase, and the energy is released. This energy is used to synthesize ATP from ADP and inorganic phosphate. One molecule of NADH produces 3 ATP and one molecule of FADH2 produces 2 ATP. Overall, 34 ATP produced. Meanwhile, another 4 ATP are obtained from glycolysis, which produce 2 ATP, and Krebs cycle, which produces 2 ATP.